Alright, so me and Levi are here. We're at Falcon Dunes in Waddell, and we're gonna be playing a little 2v2 scramble against our dads, and we'll see who wins. So we're here at the first tee, so let's get right to it. Alright, so we just finished on the first tee box, and the dads are wide right, and then I hit mine in the bunker. Gunny should be somewhere over here to the right of the tee box. So we're gonna head over to the ball, going on to shot 2.
Let's go.
Nice. Punch out into the fairway.
Oh! Get in there, get in there. Nice. Nice shot. For par. Get in the hole. Damn. Nice drive.
So right now with the little score update, now that we're through 2, we're about 4 over through 2, me and Gunny, and then our dads are 1 under through 2. So there's a little deficit there, but just gonna keep playing our game, keeping it smooth.
Shot. Get in the hole, right at it, right at it. Come down, get down, just a little too hard. Nice shot. Get up there, ball. Oh. Legit. Get in there, good nice job. Putt. Nice drive. Hold your line, perfect, right down the middle.
Alright, this is our chance right here. We started off pretty rough, but things have progressively gotten better, so I guess that's all we can be happy for. And I mean, they have a difficult shot coming up, and we're right in the middle of the fairway, so we just worry about ourselves and capitalize right here and go for pars.
Broke that ball.
Broke the ball.
Nice shot.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
Get up there. Nice putt, nice putt. There we go, safe par.
Good putt. All right, so we just finished hole 4, and we both parred. So we're making some steps in the right direction. We just gotta keep staying consistent, playing our game, and keeping it smooth. So we're headed here to hole 5. The current standing is we're 5 over through 4, and the dads are still 1 under through 4. So we'll see what happens.
Nice shot. Good shot. Bump and run. Good speed.
Good putt.
You hit the touch on it. Nice drive.
Alright, so we're on hole 6 now. Hasn't been bad. The greens are pretty fast here though. I feel like a lot faster than we're used to, but it's been good out here. It's been nice. It's fun playing at Falcon Dunes. This is by far the best course we played at, so. That's
Good,
it.
that's it.
Oh, get in the cup.
That's
Oh.
it.
Nice.
Ball, sit ball, sit ball, sit ball.
Nice.
Good shot, dude.
Oh, that's great. Good shot.
Yeah, great shot, Gunny.
Oh.
Par putt.
Good shot, bro.
Oh, that's playing. That's perfect.
Good line. Get through. You got through. Save ball. Good job.
Oh, shoot.
No puncher now.
All right, Levi hit it middle fairway, and I hit mine. It was on the flag, and it got shot down by a tree. So we'll be hitting right here for birdie. So let's get up and down for par right here, and let's finish out strong.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Money. Take it.
Come around. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Nice putt. Nice drive on the line.
Perfect.
Nice shot right by the pin.
Good job.
Nice. Nice drive, Gunny.
Yeah, there was some water, so I overswung on this hole, and I think I carried it like 285 or 290. I bombed it.
Nice shot.
Good. Sit ball.
The birdie. Nice putt.
Nice par. All right, y'all, so that is it. We did end up losing. Me and Levi shot 5 over through 9, which we had a really rough start with the triple on the first hole, but we did bounce back, which is all that matters. And the dads, they ended up going even on the front 9. This is a very beautiful course. Highly recommended. You do need to be military or first responder to get on. But we will see y'all in the next one. Later.